Hi everyone and welcome. Today I wanted to try the Boom Gel, this time with colors. See how I get on with creating nice pearls. So what I was planning on doing here is doing a traveling tree ring pour and then tilting and spinning it. See if I can stretch the paint enough to for those pearls to pop up. So this time I'm using the water diluted Boom Gel, 2 parts gel and 1 part distilled water. And I'm just layering in my cup. I'm using emerald and pearlescent violet, and I'm alternating color, black, color, black, color, black, and so on and so forth. Basically trying to keep those colors separate from each other, at least to a degree, because I don't want them to mix too much, hopefully. I had some colors mix up with an earlier try. They didn't look too bad, but honestly it did go just a little bit muddy, so I'm just trying to avoid that here. And I think I like the green and the purple together. I think it's a really nice color combination, so fingers crossed this will turn out okay. I know the purple looks really blue in this video, but it is actually the pearlescent violet. And yeah, I've got it on my canvas. It's not a big one. I think it's a 20 by 30 centimeter square. I'll pop the inch measurements in the video. But anyway, yeah, not a very big one. I just wanted to use up some of the Boom colors that I had left. And yeah, I have it on the canvas on my spinner, which is a potter's wheel, but you know, a cake spinner with bearings will work just as well. I'll pop a link in the description for something that you might find handy. And here I'm just laying down the sterling wax white, which seems to be the magic ingredients for those really nice pearls. And I'm just using that diluted as well. So the same dilution ratio as the black and the colors. Trying to spin it to spread it around a little bit, but I think I need to resort to some tilting there. And I'm trying to do that one-handed because I'm trying not to have the colors in the cup disturb. I'm keeping it at an angle, so probably not the most clever way of going about this, but you know, you live and learn. Never mind. Oh, and apologies for the very messy background. I've been pouring all day today. Sometimes, you know, inspiration just grabs you, and luckily I'm on vacation from my day job, so it's been possible to just get covered in paint and have a little bit of fun with it. I do like using these paints diluted with water because they do move a lot easier. It has been very, very hard to get it to move in an undiluted state. So here we go. I'm just going to do the traveling ring pour. Sorry, I'm completely missing my words today. There we go. Yeah, so just doing a little sort of circular motion as I pour the paint, and just letting the cup travel down the canvas so as to spread out the design a little bit more. And it seems I have plenty of paint here, which is always a good thing. I recommend finding a pouring paint calculator if you're not sure. You can insert your canvas measurements, including if you want to cover the side, how thick the canvas is. I've found those very, very helpful because sometimes eyeballing it just really doesn't work, and it's, for me at least, it's really helpful to have a calculator that I can rely on. Olga Sobey has one on her website, and what I'll do is I'll I'll link that in the description as well. It's well worth checking out, and it, like I said, it's helped me an awful lot trying to, or figuring out how much paint I need for a certain size canvas. Okay, I'm just giving my hands a little bit of a wipe there and just putting a bit more white on the edges so I can get this paint to move over the edges. I wasn't worried about having the canvas completely covered to begin with, because the white will move as I put the ring pour down as well. So there, it should be pretty much over the edges now, and then I can start tilting the design, hopefully not losing the rings too much, and hopefully seeing those nice pearls as well. And the paint is moving really quite nicely here at this stage, and I really like having that spinner because you don't have to turn the canvas this way, and that is quite enough to just turn the spinner. I really should start using it more, even if I'm not planning on spinning the design. It really does just help generally handling everything, I think. Very, very handy thing to have. Okay, and next I'm just going to start spinning it, and hopefully I will start seeing those pearls popping up. So what I'll do now, I'll fast forward the video. I'll put some music on for you, and yeah, I'll also do a time lapse of how hopefully the pearls develop. And do watch until the end. At the end I'll show you what the end result is like with those metallic colors. Please hit subscribe and like this video, and if you want to be notified of everything all the videos I post as soon as they are published, hit the notification bell as well. Okay, I'll speak to you later. Bye. Right, that's been developing for about 45 minutes now, and I looked at the time lapse, went back on it, and looks like nothing much has happened in the last 15 minutes. So I think that's how it's gonna stay. I think it's so gorgeous. I love the way those pearls follow the lines of the pour, the ring pour. That is so awesome. And oh, you've got to see this with a flash on. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And those pearls, they are just so gorgeous. I have a feeling that it's actually breaking through where the little bit of black color were. That's what it looks like anyway. So yeah, thanks ever so much for joining. I really appreciate you being here, watching this. And please hit subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, thanks very much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.